What's good, YouTube? It's a beautiful day out today in Connecticut, man. Not much going on today. I'm just out here getting an oil change on my 325 right now. I was actually pretty lazy about it because I'm just using the oil vac, but honestly I should probably be using like a jack and going from the drain hole. Nice. So right here, how you read these are individual quarts, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6.5. This car should run on about 6.5 to 7. So looks like it should be done soon. Looks like it actually might